Hey guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video, I'll explain how to buy a domain name on NameCheap. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to NameCheap.com and you'll then be sent over to the main page. Now all you're gonna do is enter the domain name you'd like to buy, which for me is lucasontutorials.com, and then you're gonna click search. You'll then see these suggested results, which is your domain name with different extensions, so .com, .org, .bot, .net or .ai. For me, I'll go with .com. And then all you need to do is to click on the add to cart button. Now I've already done so, but once you've done that, just click on checkout and you'll be sent over to the checkout page. Here there's a few options you can choose from. First of all, for how long you'd like the domain name. This can be anywhere from 1 to 10 years. You can also enable or disable auto renew, which I will turn that off. And once you've selected all the options you'd like, you can simply click on confirm order. Now in order to improve your site, you can also add web hosting or business emails. But for me, I'd like to connect this domain name to wix.com. So in that case, you don't need any of this, and all you need to do is to click confirm order. You can then either choose to log into your account if you already have an account, or create an account, which is what I'll do. So once you've entered your details, click on create account and continue. You'll then need to choose if you're buying the domain name on behalf of your company, which I'm not doing, so I'll check that off. And then you're going to enter the details, so your address line, city, state and province, etc. again. Once you've done that, click on continue and you'll then see the Whois contact information. Now this can be used by other people if they're looking up your domain name. It is quite important this is actual information, so be sure to enter the correct information. However, if you'd like to have more privacy, you can enable the domain privacy option, where it will make sure that your data does not show up in the Whois database. Now once you've entered all the details as you'd like, click on continue and enter your payment method. You can also modify your renewal settings for your purchase, which in my case I'll leave that off. So now the final step is to click on continue once again. You'll then see your order review, and since I'll pay with PayPal, you just click on the payment button. I've now completed my purchase with PayPal and they are processing the order. And you'll then be sent over to the order confirmation, where you can scroll down to the purchase summary and click on manage. And that's how to buy a domain name on NameCheap. If this tutorial was helpful, please feel free to leave a comment down below saying this tutorial helped you out or it worked. Also make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, straightforward tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.